guys! Sabi ko kasi Marco sa gitna.
Kuha ko.
Wait na ulit.
Hi guys, this is Cassandra. Broken hearted ngayon. Broken hearted po ako.
Bakit? Susot.
Ito po kasi nangyari. Faye! Say hi! Anong masasabi niyo sa vlog na to?
Vlog po ni Faye.
Wait! Wag kang umalis! Anong masasabi mo sa vlog na to?
Pagod na po sa hanap.
Malapit nang mamatay.
Uy,
na
bawal
po.
yun! Mababan si Faye.
Saan mo na lang ako? Mabenta to, may pag-nag-riders kayo rito.
It's currently like almost 1 a.m. Yeah, and usually when I am studying intensely, I actually sleep around 3 a.m. and I wake up at 8. So yeah, that's my current routine, and I know it's not healthy, but I'm able to get done a lot of things. So yeah, I'm having ice cream, which my mom got me this evening. I didn't eat it right away because I was full from the dinner I had. But this is one of my favorite ice creams. I need sugar because I'm sleepy now. It's the Ace ice cream. Not sponsored, but it's the strawberry one. I'm like so obsessed with this during my grade 10 days during foundation week. Yeah, I remember it because it's so good. And I have this like twice a week, twice a day. So oh my gosh, mine. Ooh. It's currently 1:40 and I just finished lecture 1. I kind of get it. I just have to study further. If you guys don't know, my first choice way back then, my first choice in medicine, if ever I'm going to take medicine, is actually pharmacist, but it takes so much money. And when I studied chemistry during my grade 12 or my graduating year in high school, I hate it. So yes, but my dream when I was in grade 10 is to become a chemistry teacher, and I don't know what happened, but I am still trying to love chemistry, but I don't know if it's physics or chemistry, but I hate computations. That's why I believe I still like chemistry more. Just give me enough time to study it thoroughly and like one by one, and I know that I will still like chemistry. But yeah, fun fact. Also, I am fully aware that if I will take nursing, I have a biochem subject, because usually when I saw like TikTok videos about nursing students and their hardest subject, it's either ANAFE health assessment or biochem, but most likely it's biochem. And even our prof said that biochem is the most complicated subject, that's why the grading system is much lower than the other subjects, and this is major, so that's why it's scary. But yeah, I took the risk and get biochemistry. I actually also almost failed my biology when I was in grade 11, but it's a different reason, not because I am not studying, it's just personal reason. And yes, I like biology, just again, give me enough time. And now it's crazy how biology and chemistry is now combined, but I know I will get through this. I am more confident in mixing biology and chemistry than actually physics, math, and computations. Just believe me, I know that I can do this.
Akala ni Earl, guys.
Titikman mo na ba? Mag-picture muna sa akin. Ito yung sunscreen ko na to.
Recommend. Original. Mahal yan eh.
Hindi.
Ay, hindi ba? Atin yan.
Original lang eh.
Yan o. Pero alam mo may nag-comment sa page nila kung nakakain mo. Sabi nila, oh. Hindi ka, eh di ball, pero hindi siya masarap.
Oo, horse siya.
Natatuloy.
Ganda naman ang upgrade nila.
Mas malaki siya kaysa sa traffic ba?
Ano nang ganap sa inyo?
Sa amin. Kaso, ang inaano ko lang doon.
Bakit parang pansin ko yung buhok mo ngayon ng dry?
Gel kasi, nagkakagel. Pag-ibig.
Ay, no.
Diba? Diba? Tayo yung gel. Tulot ako, ano siya, masalubong ko siya. Saghay siya sa akin, saghay ako. Hindi kami sabay sa ano, tricycle.
Piling ko magkakayos kayo dyan. I have this feel. Kasi pag nag-chat siya sa akin,
Bakit?
may kamusta si P.
Kailan yan?
Sa akin. Napansin niya siguro yun, kaya nangamusta. Sabi niya, Nay, kamusta? Okay naman, bakit? Ang random mo naman. Sabi niya, wala lang. Feeling ko kasi may galit to.
Ano pala?
Parang talagang nila parang
Ay, dahil ko lang mapakita yung buhok ko.
Sa parang nagliligpit na kayo.
Vlog na eh.
Sabi ko kahit paunti-unti lang, kahit puro aral lang ito.
Ako hindi ko pa na-edit yung sa Singapore puti.
Pwede lang eh.
Yan na yung na
Mag-Sunday
mag-vlog.
kapi ako. O-orderin ko yung Loriet sa Chowking. O-orderin ko yung
Loriat?
Loriet pala. Loriet lang ako ng Uy, Loriet!
Ito lang camera ni John. Iipon ako guys.
Picture, picture!
Hey guys!
Ano ba yan?
Ay, sasabihin.
Try ng buhok ko! Ay!
Uy, sala ka, social climber ka na pala.
Isa tayo sasakay dito yung sakay.
O sige.
Ako yung magiging ko.
Kaya nga eh, ano mo? Oo. Oh, ay may iba na kami school guys.
Sorry, ako lang yung walang idea.
Kasi talaga
Mamaya sa bahay, hindi ko tatanggalin.
Nakakainit. Dito siya.
Pasok ka naman.
Gagawin lagi ka pala dun sa
Papunta sa bahay.
Reunion. Yung sarili Oh my God, I miss this. Namiss ko yung merienda ko ganito lang.
Yan ba ba?
food trip pala to. Ako in person.
Walang ganito sa Dasma. My God. Ganito okay na ako.
More prefers to front
Malakas
or
din si Earl sa kabisado.
closer to the nose.
Pero sa mga magulang ko, bawal yun.
Kaya nga sa akin din eh, nakakainis eh.
Same.
Boxer nga ni!
Boxer short yan.
Oo, malam ko. Nagtutupi din ako ng boxer. Wala na ito na ngayon. Dami na nag-add sa akin. Eh, ako mag-add ng klase. Dapat sila mag-add sa akin. Dapat nung sila. Pagpipiti namin na. Magkano nga lang kami sa next. So nga ni.
Oh, point mo yan.
Gusto nga ni.
Ano yan?
Parang ang pangit. Pilyo mo na.
Charis.
Hindi. Ba't parang pangit, bes?
Ba't ganun yung amoy na?
Sino gumamit ng puting baso?
Ito.
See you sa Pitex.
Magsapatos mo na.
Araw-araw ko nandun. Pwede niyo akong daanan.
So,
Layo mo naman eh.
Pitix lang eh.
Layo.
Logi kay sorry.
so like mo sa akin. Thank
Ay,
you ha.
may gagi.